Okay, 2014 Acura TLX. I'm doing the paintless dent repair on the car. You can see the hood here. The hood is looks pretty fantastic. I've completed the repair on the hood, and so I'm popping these rails. I think it's 57 degrees, and I'm using regular Walmart glue. The glue's sticking fantastic. I'm barely even having to pull with my step glue puller there, and you can see here, this was a dime. You can see a couple of the dents on this plastic trim molding, and you can see this dent that I pulled. See right there, I pulled that one high, which is actually perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to do. It's a very good car. These are dime sized dents, which is definitely PDRable, and so the glue's sticking, unfortunately, and I'm just barely even having to pull, and I'm pulling little bitty highs up on the surface of the panel, and I'm gonna fix this and then get right back to you. Okay, I tapped down the highs on it, and now you can see it's pretty much, for the most part, it's gone. It may be a little bit high. You can see my tap down marks right there, but you can see this dent is gone. It's um, pretty good work. This is very good metal on these rails. These rails are coming out fantastic. I'm flying through them. I did both rails, 8 to 10 dents probably on each rail. I did both rails in maybe 35-40 minutes. So 2014 Acura TXL, a very good metal, easy R&Is, and just coming out fantastic job, fantastic PDR job. You retain the value on your car. You don't lose, if you don't replace these panels and you don't get aftermarket paint, you don't lose value on your car, and the value of the car will stay the same. It won't depreciate, because when you start putting replacement panels, you get panels that aren't specifically to manufacturers, and you're getting paint that's definitely not the manufacturer's paint on it. So you definitely want to PDR your cars. It's the best way to go, and the easiest on the car. I mean, cutting the roof on the cars, really, it's a pretty tough job, and it takes these technicians. I don't know. I'm guessing it takes them, he'll spend 3 days or something cutting this roof out. You got to take the windshield. Both the windshields have to come out also. So it's just, PDR is the way to go.